Alright, here's the update. Let's check it out. Got some parts. Got the air cleaner. Goes on the front. This piece. Anyhow, gotta fix those. Oh, I took the label off that goes right here so I could probably repaint it or something. And when I was in here, upon further inspection, checking it out, there was a bunch of stuff in here, you know, and I had to clean it all out. And this stuff on here is liquid electrical tape. Everywhere it needed it, I put that stuff on there. So, took the front of this off, cleaning out all the wasps. There was wasps everywhere. And there was a wasp nest right here. And when I popped it off, it broke that wire. So, I don't know if you can see it. I shined them all up, got them all nice, put a little sheath on there, got it all nice again. So there's the brushes. They're pretty clean. Pretty basic unit. So I had to buy a new battery. It was like $100. Let me put that positive terminal on there. So here's how I got it set up. That thing is clogged right now, so ran a new line. Got it coming over here to that. So I got a little gas going through the hose, going in there, through the hose, going right back there. The gas starts to come out. There it is. Had to get my flashlight. See, gas pouring out. All right.